Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. The purpose for making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We would be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames and we would be framing a view for tomorrow, 1st April. Apart from the index, we would also be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So here you will see that highest amount of calls overall have been written at 15,000 strike and highest amount of puts have been written at 14,500 strike overall. And if you were to see what happened intraday, highest amount of calls were written at 15,000 strike. So they tell us that probability of market expiring below 15,000 is very high. And you will see that highest amount of puts have been written at 14,400 strike. And you will see that today market has formed an inside candlestick and market traded 1% lower today. So here you will see in the open interest data, the change in open interest data, that 15,000 put, 14,900, 14,800, 14,700, 14,500, 14,600. All these puts saw their open interest reduce, which tells us that put option buyers, they book their profits, and put option writers, they have booked their losses. And call buyers, uh, 14,500 call buyers, they also book their profits, while 14,500 call writers, they book their losses. And you will see that broadly speaking, we have a range of 15,000 to 14,500 for the index. And as tomorrow is expiry and today we have formed an inside candlestick, we would be looking out for price action, in which direction it breaks the inside candlestick on the daily time frame. If we see the option max pain data, the max pain level is at 14,700. So if market was to expire tomorrow at 14,700, in that scenario, uh, call and put option buyers, they are going to suffer highest amount of losses. As you all know, on expiry, large percentage of options, they expire worthless. If we analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame, we have formed an inside candlestick. So on the monthly time frame, we have a situation in which there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. And the weekly candles so far, you will see that the previous weekly high was 14,878 and this week's high is 14,876. So technically, we have formed an inside week so far, and on the daily time frame as well, you will see that we have formed an inside day. In terms of price structure, the previous inside candle on 26 broke to the upside. So in terms of price structure, we have been making higher high and higher low, and today we formed an inside candlestick, and we would have to see which side it breaks to establish our positions. And based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for tomorrow. Above 14,690, we can trade towards 14,813, which is today's highest, and above 14,813, we can trade towards 14,900 levels. And on the flip side, below 14,670, we can trade towards 14,631 and potentially 14,527 levels. And the neutral price range for tomorrow is going to be 14,690 to 14,670, in which one can refrain from making any trades. Now, I would be discussing my stock watch list for tomorrow. The stocks that I've chosen are AU Bank, Indus Tower, REC Limited, and PFC. AU Bank has formed an inside candlestick. We'll look for buying opportunity above 1283.1 or selling opportunity below 1216.4 in AU Bank. And in second stock is Indus Tower. We'll look for buying opportunity above 255.8 level or selling opportunity below 243.5 levels. And in between the high low range, we'll not be making any trades. Our third stock is REC Limited. Above 132.3, we'll look for buying opportunity, or below 128.6, we'll look for selling opportunity in REC Limited. Our fourth and final stock is PFC. We'll look for buying opportunity above 114.9 on PFC or selling opportunity below 111.1. and in between the high low range will not be making any trade in PFC. So all these stocks, they have formed an inside candlestick on the daily time frame, which tells us that at this point of time there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers in these stocks. Before ending this video, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 14,690 we can trade towards 14,813 and potentially 14,900, and below 14,670 we can trade towards 14,631 and potentially 14,527 levels. Broadly speaking, we're in a range of 15,000 to 14,500 on the index based on the overall open interest data, and the max pain for tomorrow is 14,700. If market was to expire at 14,700 level, in that scenario, option buyers, both call and put buyers, are going to suffer the highest amount of losses, as large percentage of options they expire worthless on expiry. And our stock watch list comprises of inside candles on the daily time frame. The stocks are PFC, REC Limited, Indus Tower, and AU Bank. So we just have to see which direction these stocks break. That is, if they trade above today's highs, we'll look for buying opportunity, and if they trade below today's low, we'll look for selling opportunities. And if these stocks trade in between today's high low range itself, in that scenario, we'll not be establishing any position in them. And finally, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button and don't forget to check out the description section of this video. There you can find link to all our recent blog posts. And once again, I'd like to thank you all for watching.